Very good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to study Social Science Chapter 2, Environmental Pollution. From the name of the chapter itself we come to know that our environment consists of air, water and everything, and about we are going to discuss in this chapter about the pollution that is being created in our environment, and that is air pollution, noise pollution, land pollution, water pollution, and how all these different types of pollution affects our life, living creature on the earth. And we will discuss all this pollution in detail. Now let us begin with this chapter, chapter 2, environmental pollution. Chapter 2, environmental pollution. Development is the right of human being, and it means whenever and whatever field, if there is an opportunity of development, humans have the right to progress. See, development is our right, and human beings right, development should be there, and it means whenever and whatever field the person is working in, and if there is an opportunity, if they are getting of development, human has a right to progress and to come forward in the life. And the industrial revolution and the scientific discoveries has opened up vast opportunities for technological advancement and development. See, because of this industrial and scientific discoveries that has made a opportunity, invention of all these invention in science and technology, industrial revolution, they all took place in the Europe, and since then man has progressed in the field like different fields also, and because of this there is a vast opportunity for technological advancement and development, and this development had led the massive changes in human life. Technological advancement has empowered the creativity, which in turn simplified the progress of production. See, because of this progress has been in the different field in which in electricity, railways, telephone, vehicles, industries, electronic media are the most important character in the story of development. See, because of all these things, they makes a lots of difference in the man's progress in different types of field. And for attending the progress, man has made unrestricted use of all the resources, and all this technological and advancement, and they all have empowered the creativity of man. See, in this picture you can see the effect of pollution on living creature. See, where will we go now? Because of this, the trees have been cut, the smoke that comes from the factory, it affects the atmosphere. And see, these trees have been cut, so where this living creature like birds, where are they going to make their nest? We'll see all this pollution in detail in this chapter. And unlimited use of natural resources like water, air, and natural vegetation has become the cause of widespread pollution. See what happened, the unlimited which use of natural resources, which are like water, air, they all the natural vegetation, that all include in the natural resources, and they have become the cause of pollution. And it is necessary to make an effort to see and understand both pollution and development. We need to understand about both the things, what is pollution and also the development, and in different contents, since these two phenomena run parallel. When these two phenomena, they are running on a parallel in the modern times, and in the present times, land, water, air, noise and space pollution that has been increased, and that also has a adverse effect where can be seen on human life and on the environment also. Because of all these things, land, water, air and noise pollution, they are increasing day by day, and it is affecting all the living creature. And with the industries coming up on the large scale, various kinds of pollutant affecting the environment, they have also been increased, and among it water, air and land pollution are the main types of pollution we see. And these three are the most important element for the sustenance of the life on the earth. See, without air, water and land, we cannot live. and that their air and water, that is the most important elements for us to live, have a life on the earth. And when this only all these things are going to be spoiled, they are going to be get polluted, how it will affect our life, we are going to see all this in this chapter. First of all, we are going to discuss about the water pollution. Industries require water, and during the process of manufacturing, water becomes impure, polluted, which is drained into rivers, streams, or on the ground. The chemical infested water pollutes the pure water of a river. And secondly, the water drained on the open ground gradually percolates down and pollutes the water, underground water too. See, water which become dirty after being what used in the industries, and that is considered useless, and it is released into where, into the rivers, streams. See, all this impure water, that is river, it has been released in river, stream, or on land. And such type of water, they pollute all the river water, groundwater also, and the land also. And due to secondly, what happened, the water that is being drained open ground, when it is being drained, and that what happened, this water that is being percolated down the earth, and the underground water also gets polluted because of this. Growing urbanization is another reason behind widespread pollution. See, because of urbanization that has been growing, as the water from the dense city is released into the rivers, and the problem arises because of the urbanization also. And dirty water from the gutters in the urban areas, the water which has been collected in the gutters, and they move in from the urban areas, that has been released where, into the rivers and ponds, and that also makes the problem of water pollution. In this way, the water is also polluted. You can see the picture, first picture, where the gutter water is been in the industry water, that is been drained in over here in the pure water, and in this way the water gets polluted. Today, even the rainwater gets polluted due to industrialization. Because of industry, the rainwater is also getting polluted. When they mix with the smoke and gases that is released by industry, mix with the rainwater, and they pollute it. See, all the as the water from the drains of city that has been released into the river, lakes, they make serious problems of water pollution is being created. The dirty water released by industries and factories into rivers, streams, and ponds, they destroy the aquatic life. See, in this, all due to the such polluted water, many aquatic animals also die because of this dirty excessive pollution in water. And the sea water also get polluted. How? Because due to the oil drilling, or and the oil spin. See, oil, because of oil drilling, the sea water is also getting nowadays polluted. Water pollution, that is a major cause. The disease, they cause various types of disease. Why? Because of water being getting polluted. The disease like cholera, jaundice, vomiting, diarrhea, etc., loose motion, all these diseases comes because of water only. And that is why nowadays people have to carry their own water bottle. See, now the people carry their water bottle and drink the safe water, that is filled up fresh and filtered water from their home. When they are traveling to office or to the school, when you come to the school, you carry a water bottle and come. Or else the people going to the office, they carry their own water bottle, they don't drink outside water. So many rivers have turned into gutters. See, rivers, because of this polluted water, many of the rivers, they have been turned into gutters. And this polluted river water is used for agriculture. See, in this agriculture also, it is being used polluted river water, and consequently pollutants enter into the food grains, vegetables, and fooders. See, this because of this, the crops and the grass that is grown use this dirty water of river, they contain many pollutants inside it, and that also affects our life. Because of this, we it affects our growth also. the people from every class of the society, be it as a politician, farmer, industrialist, educated individual, artist, or worker. They have very casual attitude towards the environment pollution. See, the people who belong to the various streams, like to the various classes, also farmer or a politician, educated individual, artist, or any worker, they have very casual, they have casual attitudes towards environmental pollution. And the water from the industry should be purified. Why? Because before it is being drained into stream, because it pollutes the water a lot, and that only water is being coming to the other places pass on. And if the river water is being polluted, it affects lots of it causes, because of polluted, and it causes many diseases also because of that. And the government should implement the pollution control policy properly to control the industries. And see, the government should work on it to prevent water pollution. The dirty water from industries and the gutter must be purified, and only then it should be released into the river or any stream. And the government should also have strict control over industries in this connection. So we should use water in judicious way. So all this was about the water pollution. I hope you all have understood it nicely. Thank you.